This video is about how to graph an equation from slope-intercept form. As a reminder, slope-intercept form is when you have an equation that is set up y equals mx plus b, where the m represents your slope and the b represents your y-intercept. So for our first example, we have y equals negative 3/5 x plus 2. So right here in front of our x would be our slope, and this number at the end would be our y-intercept. We always want to start by graphing our y-intercept. So because this problem says plus 2 on my graph, I am going to go to my y-axis and go up 2 places and put a point. That is my y-intercept. Now I need to use my slope to make more points. Slope is always rise over run, meaning that our top number tells us how far up and down to count, and our bottom number tells us how far left or right to count. Since the slope for this problem is negative 3/5, that means I am going to go down 3 because it is negative, and to the right 5. So from my y-intercept, or from my plus 2, I'm going to go down 3 spots and to the right 5 spots to make a new point. So again, I just went down 3 spots and to the right 5 spots using my slope. And now that I have these 2 points, I can connect them to make a line. For our second example, we have y equals 2x minus 4. So as always, I'm going to start with my y-intercept, which in this case is negative 4. So I need to go down 4 on my y-axis for my starting point. Now for my slope. Again, slope is always our rise over our run. But you'll notice in this case, we do not have a fraction. We have a whole number. We just have the number 2. So to make this into a slope, we're going to put a 1 on the bottom. So I am going to count up 2 and to the right 1. And I'm going to repeat that process until I run out of lines on my graph. And now I can connect all these points to make my line.